Good morning, student. Welcome to all of my electrician first year and second year students. Today is the discussion about the subject workshop calculation and science. Subject name is workshop calculation and science, and the chapter name is heat treatment. Chapter name is heat treatment. Heat treatment is the chapter of second year electrician. Okay, mind it. Heat treatment is the chapter of second year electrician students, and the subject name is workshop calculation and science. So the first question about heat treatment is, what is heat treatment, or the definition of heat treatment? Please listen carefully. Heat treatment is a process by which a metal is heated and cooled at various temperature, point to be noted, at various temperatures, to bring about a change in its internal structure, not external, okay, in its internal structure, to make it usable for various tools. I should repeat, heat treatment is a process by which a metal is heated and cooled at various temperatures to bring about a change in its internal structure to make it usable for various tools. Heat treatment is given to steel. Okay, very important question. Heat treatment is given to steel. Okay, so the next point is, what is the main purpose of heat treatment? Why we should use heat treatment medium? So the purpose of heat treatment are, number one is to soften the metal. Purposes of heat treatment. Number one is to soften the metal. Number two is to save the metal from wear. To save the metal from wear. Number three is to eliminate brittlity for hardening. To eliminate brittlity for hardening. To cut miscellaneous metals. To cut miscellaneous metal. So it is the main purpose of heat treatment. And the next question and VVI question is critical temperature. What is critical temperature, or the definition of critical temperature? Critical temperature is nothing but the temperature at which these constituents mix up completely and the change in structure ceases. Then it is called higher critical temperature, and this temperature is about 800 degrees centigrade. And the temperature at which the change in structure starts taking place is called lower critical temperature. Okay, and this temperature is about 732 degrees centigrade. So there are two types of critical temperature. Number one is higher critical temperature, and number two is lower critical temperature. The higher critical temperature is near about 800 degrees centigrade, and the lower critical temperature is near about 732 degrees centigrade. Okay, and the next topic is what is the process of heat treatment? What process we should follow to maintain heat treatment process? So the processes are, there are mainly 5 processes are used for heat treatment. Number one is annealing. Number two is normalizing. Number three is hardening. Number four is tempering. And at last, number 5 is case hardening. Okay. So at first and main important process is annealing. Annealing is the most important question for semester purpose or annual exam purpose. Annealing process is used for content of carbon, and there are many types of annealing temperature. We should provide a chart. In number 1 column, I write content of carbon, and number 2 column should be write temperature in degree centigrade. Okay. If the carbon quantity is 7.12% to 0.25%, then the temperature of annealing should be 875 to 925 degrees centigrade. If the carbon contains 0.3% to 0.5%, then the annealing temperature should be 815 to 840 degrees centigrade. Number 3 is if the carbon contains 0.5% to 0.9%, then the temperature of annealing should be 780 degrees centigrade to 810 degrees centigrade. And number 4 is if the carbon contains 0.9% to 1.3%, then the annealing temperature should be 760 degrees centigrade to 780 degrees centigrade. Okay. In this class, I discussed the description of heat treatment and the main fundamental thing of heat treatment. On next class, I will discuss the next part of heat treatment, okay, and MCQ of heat treatment. Okay. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you. Be safe and stay home.